Hello. It's such a beautiful morning. So I decided to come and enjoy the calmness with the Avata. It's a few days since I lost the Mario 5. It's -4 degrees Celsius. Almost no wind at all. It's beautiful here. Yeah, let's get in the air. I will go to this end here. There. I will fly from here, I think. Because here I should get the signal to the both beaches here. I don't know if I should put the ND filter on. I don't think so, but we'll see. My prop guard is a little bit destroyed here. Let's try this ND8. Just like that. 4K 30 and 1 to 60 ISO 100. I think that's probably good. White balance 6600. Yeah, let's go with that. And record and let's go. Let's go. Whoa, now it's beautiful. What a light. Yeah, the sun is just coming above the clouds there. Ooh, nice. Really beautiful. Yeah, this is actually really beautiful. Let's go over here and do a turn. Like this. And we come back. Try to get low here. Ooh, now I'm really low. Oh, get that nice motion blur when you go so low. So close to the ground. Yeah, and then we fly over here. Okay, coming past here where I am. Yeah, nice. Now we'll continue here to the other beach. Just like this. This is nice when there's no people around here. Then we will fly over here. There in the end is where I lost my Mario. You can see a little bit of frost here on the cliffs. It's looking nice. Really nice. Yeah, nice. Here somewhere my Mario should be. Okay, now I got some bad signal. I'll come back, turn around and come back. Nice. Oh, this is really beautiful. Let's fly to this island. Really cold on my fingers. My fingers are freezing. It's beautiful when it's getting cold. Okay, and then we'll come back here along this beach. Maybe I should go and take a trip around the carousel. If I go like this, it's nice when you can see the bottom here. And I will turn around here, go to the carousel and do a round trip around this one, like this. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, nice. And let's go back to the beach. Ooh. Well, that's strange with this one. You have to throttle so much compared to the other custom drones. Yeah, nice. Fly along this road, this gravel road. Whoa, this is beautiful now. Now it is really beautiful light here again. Around this tree. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Turn around here. Then we come back. Let's get a little bit air here. Nice. Yeah, well, beautiful. There's the water tower and the church. Let's get close to the treetops. And down here between those trees, nice. Yeah. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I think that was it for today. Ooh, my fingers are really cold. We'll see you next time. I'm building on another new drone now. I'm just waiting for the air unit to come. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you liked it and like if you liked the video. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. Bye bye.